Hello friends, today in this video we will learn and write how to make sentences. So let's start. First line, jump. She jumps on the table. Second, play. We do not play hockey every day. 3. Sit. They sit here every day. 4th, eat. Mohan eats mangoes daily. 5th, sleep. She sleep. She sleeps daily. 6th, copy. This is my copy. 7th, learn. I learn my lesson. 8th, finish. He finished his work. 9th, read. I am reading Gita. 10th, beat. The teacher does not beat the students. 11th, cook. They cook the food daily. 12, punish. I punish him every day. 13, help. They help the poor. 14, earn. We earn money daily. 15, palak. The children pluck the flower. Dear friends, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.